Hello everyone, my name is Camille. I'm the owner of Morfosoaps. Thank you for joining me with this soap making video today. If you are new, then welcome to our channel. This is a soap making channel. It's only related to Morfosoaps, which is a company that sells bath and body products, handmade soaps, and even candles. If this is something that is interesting for you, go ahead and subscribe and follow us. Every week we will be uploading something new, and mostly there will be new products that are listed in our shop. So if you are not new and you are subscribed, then welcome back. Always happy to have you here and see you again. In today's video, we're doing the black cherry soap by Morfosoaps. So this is the fruit of today, the black cherry. If you like black cherries, this is a really interesting soap to try because it really smells like the black cherry. And the look of the soap is very artisanal. The technique that I use for this is called the kiss pour technique. First time attempting this technique, where I use a red and white and then green and white, each two colors in two separate pitchers, and then while pouring them they kind of kiss each other and then they go into the mold. You will see it during the video. It's a very interesting technique. I had so much fun doing it and I was really excited for the result. And when I cut the soap, which by the way I don't have the video for, but I will display some pictures from different bars because like most of the artisan soaps, they don't come out the same. So even the same soap, the same bar of soap, if you look at two sides, it's completely different. So I hope you really enjoy watching this video. If you do, give us a like and comment or even share it with a friend. And until next week, I'll see you again with another fruit. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, and enjoy yourselves. Try to pamper yourself and purchase some of our soaps and enjoy your showers. Now, I'll see you again next week. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.